Yeah, for tonight's dinner we have spaghetti with garlic bread and chicken. And I don't know about you guys, but I put sour cream on my spaghetti because it's slapping. Period. So give it a little good mix. Mix it up really good.
Tampa as well with three tight ends here. Split Evans off to the left.
What? So good. Let me know if you guys put sour cream on your spaghetti. They don't, but me and baby Brian did. So. Right in the cup. Let me just give you a closer look. Yeah.
And Irving, who could have come close to helping seal the game, they were using the clock perfectly. And now all of a sudden 2:50, all the timeouts and the 2-minute warning. So a ton of time.
Why you looked at me like that?
Also able to get inside that time of the left tackle, Jake Matthews. He initially blew that play up, forced Algier inside.
No huddle here on a 2nd down and 12. Under pressure, back he goes.
They watching the game. We're 49ers fan though, so it ain't our game, but we're still watching. I don't know if y'all been watching the 49ers, but Purdy been doing his thing.
52 left. And a 4th and a million. But at least they have all their timeouts. So you would think a likely punt here. And they have to use their timeouts when Tampa has the ball.
Well, they're discussing that right now. It's a long way to go against the Hot Bulls defense that likes to dial up pressure in so many different ways. I'm with you with those 3 timeouts.
Well, after the game, stay tuned, as always, with the JCPenney post-game show exclusively on Prime Video. Keely, of course, will have the start of the game. Carissa, Sherm.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had dinner tonight. I'm about to end this, but yeah. Anyways, comment if you like sour cream on your spaghetti. Bye.